Mel 2204, your budget vlogger host. Subscribe! Magandang araw Pilipinas, ladies and gentlemen, alam ko lahat ay excited na para sa nalalapit na Miss Universe 2025 National Costume Competition at preliminary competition na magaganap bukas. Dito sa ating channel, magbibigay tayo ng mga updates sa live telecast ng Miss Universe 2025 competition. At ngayon alamin natin ang time schedule ng Miss Universe 2025, the National Costume Competition and the preliminary competition. Miss Universe 2025 National Costume Competition, November 19, 2 p.m. in the Philippine time. The preliminary competition, November 19, 8 p.m. in the Philippine time. And of course, the final competition will be on November 21, 9 a.m. Philippine time. Ladies and gentlemen, Pilipinas, supporters, patuloy nating suportahan si Maria Atisa Manalo sa kanyang laban. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at laging mag-update sa channel na ito para sa live telecast ng Miss Universe. Maraming salamat at magkita po tayong muli sa susunod na video. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.